Hello, today I'm going to show you a way to convert your video, your lesson video that you would have on your computer over to a format, but rather than using Handbrake to make it smaller, and sometimes that can take multiple times. This way I think will be a little bit faster. It won't take you as much time. It does require that you download some materials off the internet that you would need to use, but they're free, and this is just one way to do it that's, I think, easier than using Handbrake. So if you go to YouTube, you can look up all kinds of videos about how to convert an mp4 file to a WMV file. Now, mp4s are what most of your phones will record on. Most videos come in an mp4 format. So when you record, say from your phone or something else, you first have to load that video onto your computer. Now, in my case, let's see if I can move this out of the way. I've got some other things open back here. I have a video right here. I'm just going to open it. It'll let me open it. All right. This is not the one I wanted to open. It's this one. This is a video of my daughters. And this video is about 30 minutes long, which you can see right here. And I wanted to use a video that was at least 30 minutes long so I can get a good idea how long it takes to convert this video. But this is a video that was recorded on my iPhone, and then I airdropped from my iPhone to my Mac computer, because with Apple products you can just airdrop. That took about 2 minutes to airdrop it, maybe even less for a video, because those two platforms work really well together. But you might have to upload it to your computer some other way. You might have to use a cord or something. For some of your computers, that might be what you have to do. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that video and pull this back over so that you can see the screen again. Now I'm going to open another window here. There are also step-by-step instructions on Google. If you Google how to convert mp4 files to WMV on a Mac, you can get lots of great instructions. This is what I did, and I just followed the directions because I had never converted before to another format myself, so I wanted to figure out, how does this work? These were some suggestions that had been given to me for a student, some things that other people did that I thought worked really well. Okay, so I decided after doing a little research that the program I want to use to convert my mp4 video over to a WMV file, which takes up a lot less space, is something called Movavi, M-O-V-A-V-I. So I went to this site, movavi.com, and you can download it for Windows or you can download it for Mac, and it is a free download. So I downloaded it for Mac because I'm working on a Mac. After I went through the download process, and you just follow those directions, this is basically what the program looks like. Now you can see there's a question mark here. If you open that question mark and you click on the question here, basically it will take you through a tutorial how to use this site, this Movavi. This is a really short video. I will just let it play for you. All right, so that was a really fast video, and you're saying, oh my gosh, slow down, I can't see what's going on. But you can go through these steps one at a time, and it will tell you what each piece on Movavi does and what you need to do in order to convert your videos. So I've already watched all of this, and I'll let you watch it on your own. I'm going to X out of here, and I'm going to show you what I would do. First, I would come down here and this is where you add media. This is where you add the video, but I'm not going to add the video yet because what I want is to say what output format. You see right here where it says output format? That's where I'm going to choose the WMV format. So, and I come right here, it says custom, I say WMV, and then you see all of these different things, codec, frame size. I left it at original size. Resize quality, I said good, fast, that's fine. For bit rate, you can, if you slow down the bit rate, that decreases the quality, which is okay, and it also decreases the size, which is the good thing about slowing down bit rate. So I'm just going to say custom, I'm going to give it 1,000, and I'm going to say okay. Now right here you see where it says 3.6 megabytes, low quality. I want low quality because what I really want is something that's going to be small enough to fit into Foliotech. So I'm like, okay, good, I want low quality. I'm going to look at this window. The file size right now, it says 3.57 megabytes, which is smaller than I need. That's probably that small because I changed the bit rate settings. So I'm going to just go back down here and I'm going to change the bit rate setting back to auto and say okay. Then it's right now it's at good quality. I'm gonna have to make it a little worse quality probably than that because right now it doesn't have my video. Let me load the video first. So let's say add media, add video. Now my video is on my desktop. So I'm going to open it right there and it's going to load it. It's upside down right now, but it's not going to come up upside down. It says 2.88 gigabytes. That's good quality. All right, I need this to be a lot lower than that. So I'm going to take this file size and I'm going to start playing with it because I need like 250 or less megabytes. I'm going to go with it seems to, don't go too close to 250. I'm going to do 220.1 because it's going to, if I say 250, it's probably going to come out at like 260. So I'm going to go a little lower than what I need. And so I'm going to say I need it to be 220.1. And then I'm going to say, good. I'm going to click out of that and see right here it says 220.1 megabytes, low quality. If I come up to this little pencil, I'm going to rename this because I want it to have a name, Whitney and Haley Open LOL Dolls, because that's what they're doing in the video, and I'm going to say, okay, I want to be able to recognize the name of my video. All right, so I've chosen to change it down here. This is what I'm converting to a WMV. I've loaded my video. I've chosen what quality I need. I've chosen that I need it to be kind of small. And now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say convert. It's going to say, do you want an activation key? That just means you'd have to pay for it. Otherwise, you're going to get a watermark, and that's fine. I'm going to say convert with a watermark. And now it's going to start converting. So it's going to give me an estimate here in a second to let me know how long it's going to take to convert. It doesn't usually take a really long time. I did it before and it took 20 to 30 minutes, 27 minutes. There you go. All right, so it's going to take 27 minutes to convert. After it's done converting, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what it looks like.